Today we have the Mystery Song Challenge. And what mystery song are you going to learn today? As soon as you know, hit the like button so that lets me know that you know what it is.
Guitar for Kids with David Aldridge.
You guessed correctly, it is 3 blind mice. So let's jump in and start learning. If you are loving this video today, consider subscribing to the channel and be notified when I post new weekly videos just like this one. And today I'm going to be plucking the strings just using my thumb like this. And also I'm going to be playing the notes with just one finger like this. And this is the easiest way to find the notes if you are a complete beginner. So remember, you can pause, rewatch the video as often as you like. And I set you a challenge. Try to practice this song for just 5 minutes a day for the next week. If you'd love to continue this learning journey with me, David, take more challenges, get certificates and rewards, and become a proud guitar star, you can get a copy of my book, Guitar Star in 30 Days, and you can literally download it right now. And I have provided the link in the description of this video. I really hope you've enjoyed today's video as much as I have. I want to congratulate you, honor you for joining today's class, and I am so proud of you. Till next time, keep learning one note, one song, and one lesson at a time.